Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Blackpink Lovesick Girls inspired design. Start off by painting your index nail white, your middle nail pink, your ring fingernail yellow, your pinky nail light gray, and your thumbnail black. On the index nail, use a neon pink to write I miss you. Underneath that, write hate and then cross both hate and miss out with black. You want all of the writing on this nail to look kind of messy, so don't worry about trying to make the letters perfect. Keep using black to write you plus me equals forever around the edges of the nail. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the middle nail, use black to make a heart in the center. Use light pink to make two heart-shaped lines within the black heart. Make a light pink heart in the center and fill it in with neon pink. Add splatters of paint outside of the target with dark pinks. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the ring fingernail, make a dashed black line up the center of the nail and then keep using black to make a heart-shaped eye patch on the right side of the line. Add a triangular nose and then make the line underneath it solid. Make a horizontal line that curves up in the center for the mouth, and then add some backwards ends to it for stitches. Make a white circle opposite the black heart. Make a smaller circle inside of that with neon pink, and then an even smaller circle inside of that with black. Keep using black to make thin lines coming out from the white ring. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the pinky nail, use pink to make some random, thick lines near the top of the nail. Once that's dry, use black to make paint splatters and drips near the top left side of the nail, making sure to leave some of the pink visible. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the thumb, use various shades of pink to make the crown from Blackpink's The album cover. I mainly used 4 shades of pink for the crown. The second lightest for the general shape of the crown, the darkest for the back of the ring and the spikes, the second darkest for the chains and the filigree, and the lightest for the semicircle around the jewel. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!